Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Simbot menteri ramba kajela ubediru unong mikmat kathan ban ursla uba Prestone song henegasngi ulah Hiar ban Jngoh ya Surok Jingkieng Umthli ke Dkut Arliang henen kestap sngi ublei ya simbot menteri ramba alasan ranlang udisi ke East Khase Hills wabilash baranwal USP ke East Khase Hills uba Vivek CM ki officer bat nakaliang ke company bepentre ke Surok Shillong pen ursla dauki kani ke Surok kelatua bat Dkut Sendon Arliang hanin gastap nagdaw ke jing hap slap wajur kabala penthut ya kalet kawan na pen ursla shashilong
Ken, ayo. Oh, ketika ini. Tadi ini dua. Tadi itu untuk empat deh. Bahaya kan. And more there. There, see there. The big company. No, I don't understand. No, I don't understand. How come? Because the water is here.
Yes, sir.
Then how come it comes this side?
Sir, due to heavy rainfall, sir, water comes.
No, you did not clear in that side.
No, sir, same clear, water will clear. But excess water, sir.
From the side. You never know, no, it's made.
All night, sir, rainfall.
So what is the way out? How are you going to do?
These are first make a diversion, cut this hill. Second is a bridge proposed bridge.
This will take a lot of time.
Yes, sir.
Vilash?
Yes, sir.
It will take time.
This is, I mean, basically
So-
they'll have to make a roundabout.
No, but I think Shamanu, ketika banyak nanti. Kanir kecil lah. Kata kai. Bakal kau dia ngejam nanti. Dulu ngejam tak ni kena ikut sini. Ayat di nak Surok. Ini kena lalu lah. Kau alam kawan. Keren tu video. Wow. Jo. Oi. Of the water going down is blocked. What I say, and some back stream, we don't know what is there. So we go there, some go survey, how big is this number? How big is this?